Hey Toolnuts, Doug here from toolnut.com. Today we're going to be going over how to install the elbow conversion to be able to use a Festool dust bag on your older TS55 or TS75 track saws. Just a quick note, most of these elbows are now shipping on the newer saws from Festool, so more than likely you're not going to need to buy this. You could still buy just the dust bag if you want to be able to use your saw without one of the Festool extractors. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've removed most of the screws from the blade cover on this older TS55 track saw. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the last one. You're gonna need a Torx number 15 to do so. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the last screw, and as you can see, the older dust port fell right out. To put the newer one in, there is a certain way you got to do it. There are tabs on the inside of this cover that you need to align with the plastic. There's some detents in here to do so. If you don't get it in the right spot, you're not going to actually get a good seal when you put this back together. So I'm going to just go ahead, and you can see I already got it into the first detent here. I'm going to just put my cover back on, and just holding it, I can see that I've already gotten a good fit there. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting my screws back onto the saw. And I can see there, perfect. I'm totally sealed here now where the two covers come together. That is a frequent call that we get from customers about the fit of that, and they're worried. It's just getting the detents aligned with those tabs on the inside of the saw. So I'm just going to go ahead, put the remaining screws back in here, and this is coming together nice. Just a good snug fit. Don't over torque them. As you can see, it's a pretty quick process to do this to your saw. And there you have it. So one other quick thing, right now, this is connected, the whole elbow, to be able to connect to the standard 27 millimeter hose and 36 millimeter hose out of the package. You can see if you try to take your dust bag and just try to connect it, it's not going to work. Just take this nut right here, twist this off. This goes aside. Again, that's just for your hoses. Track saw bag goes on, connects, nice. Twist that again to remove it. Take this, connect again, and now you're ready again if you want to use your dust extraction hose from your Festool vacuum. And that's it. For this and other great videos, please visit us at Toolnut TV. This is Doug again from toolnut.com saying thanks.